There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT in brilliant black pearl. With BI-XENON HID headlamps, adaptive cruise control with stop, 20-inch aluminum wheels, Brembo 6-piston front brakes, blind spot and cross path detection, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 52,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TRACK system, heated rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 6.4-liter V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5731A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.